welcome to my channel. You're watching the jumper. Today we should be doing a continuation of Maestro Bot, step by step on how to use Maestro Bot. Okay. On this video, I will be breaking it down for you so I can be able to listen that even a newbie to be able to understand how to use the Maestro Bot. Okay. Let's say you are using it for the first time. You go to your Telegram, you click on search. You click on this search, you type your Maestro Bot. The Maestro Bot will come out, you click on it. If you click on it, okay, this is how it's gonna look like, but these things are not gonna be there because of I've been trading with it, that's why you see all these stuff. Okay. Now the first thing you have to the snapper Maestro Bot is what it gonna looks like. You see your wallets, core channel, preset and copy trade. You click on wallets. Okay. It will ask you whether it's EBS, Ethereum, or a wallet. Looking for. Depending on the one you want, if it is Ethereum or Ab or which one you want to create. But for this purpose of this video, you're going to be working with ETH. You click on ETH. Okay. My wallet has already been connected actually. My wallet has been connected. If my wallet wasn't connected, you ask it to generate wallet or to import wallet. Understand? You click on generate wallet. You can see. Okay, it's asking me to disconnect my wallet first. Okay, let me use Abiton. Let me use Abiton because my wallet wasn't connected in Abiton. Let me go back and use Abiton. Okay, this is Abiton. My wallet is still connected in Abiton. Okay, let's continue with our ETH. You click on ETH. Let me disconnect the wallet first. Okay. Now I've already disconnected my wallet. Now ask you to. This is how it's gonna appear. Connect wallet or generate wallet. If you want to connect wallet, that means if you have a wallet that you want to connect, you click on connect wallet. But if you don't want to connect, you just want to generate a new wallet, you click on generate wallet. The bot has already generated a wallet for you, as you can see. This is your wallet address here. This is your private key. This is your recovery phrase. Your phrase, yeah, okay. That's just it. Then the next thing is still on the same issue where we are. You now click on a setting, how you're gonna set it, configuration, config as the configuration of the bot. You have your anti-MDB smart slippage. You activate the anti-rock for in case you put into a project and the day wants to pull out the liquidity. The bot automatically sells you off. The smart slippage will allow the bot to select the slippage in case you want to perform transaction. Okay, then click on buy. Now you configure all the buys, auto buy, duplicated buy, maximum market cap can buy, minimum liquidity can buy, maximum liquidity can buy. Understand? What this thing is trying to say is that if you activate the button auto buy and you set a maximum market cap as 10k, whenever you paste the contact address on this bot, understand, it will automatically buy into that project. You don't need to activate it. You don't need to click buy. Understand? Okay. Now depending on how you also set it. If you paste a a project with a higher market cap higher than what you set, the bot will not buy automatically. The bot, you have to buy it by yourself. The bot cannot buy it automatically. You have to be on to select buy or to click on buy for you to be able to buy it. The same thing applies to all these things you see here, the mass sell, the mass buy task, the minimum market cap and liquidity, mass liquidity and others. Okay, and let's return. Let's go to sell. The same thing applies there too. You activate confirms trade sell automatically. Auto sell, turning sell high, sell low, sell high amount, sell low amount. This sell high means the point at which you want the put to sell for you, that is to take profit. It could either be you can make it x 100, x 2, x 3. Depends on how you good or how you want it. Let's say you activate say hi. Understand? You activate this say hi. It ask you at what point 100%, which is x 2, 200%, which is x 3, and others. Then say high amount. It simply means how many percentage you want it to sell. You can say high is at 100, which is x 2. If you sell, okay, then you can come here and say that you want it to sell 75% off. Whenever it gets to x 2, you want it to sell 75% and leave the remaining 25% to continue. You understand? Okay. Then the same thing applies to sell low. Sell low, you can say sell low is uh, uh, in futures they call it stop loss. Stop loss. So you can say at 50 minus 50% issue sell off. Understand? Then sell low amount also say applies. How much you want? How many percentage you want it to sell off at that distance? It could be your stop loss could be just stop the loss of 90%. Then why the remaining 10% should you might decide to leave the remaining 10% and whatever it turns out to be. Okay, okay, that's just it on. So then let's go back and you have your approve. Understand? Auto approval, you can be manual. Understand? Okay, that is just basically all for auto sell and auto buy. Okay, now the next one is DJ mode and God mode. Okay, okay, so and then God mode is if you want to snipe into a project without liquidity yet. That is when you use God mode. I'll also be doing a private video on God mode, how to use God mode on Maestro Bot. I should be doing a video on that, how to use God mode on Maestro Bot. Then let's return back and look at other things. Okay, balance. You want to check how much you have new. If you want to check how much you have on your Maestro Bot, oh sorry. You want to check how much you have on your Maestro Bot. That is the balance. Remember, this thing we did on ETH can still do it another chance. Understand? Just like you can still do it on Arbitrum, BSC, and others. Okay, I believe that is basically all on uh, on this topic. The next one is the call. Let's go back to the call. If you want to receive calls, so how it responds to calls, like how it responds to calls. So let's say let's go back. You have your call channels. You click on call channels now. Okay. Um, let's say BSC, or let's go back to the same item we are using. Let's say ETH now. You have different call channels, but you want the calls, the one you are making yourself. You click on it. How do you want it to be? Okay, this course you are sending yourself, should you be auto buying it once you place the contract order? Should you auto buy it, or should you have to be the one to buy it yourself? And should you auto sell it? As you can see, this is auto buy Okay, this is sell. Should you auto sell it? If you sell high, what will you sell when it's selling high? When it's selling low, what should you sell? The same thing I explained to you earlier on auto buy and auto sell. As you can see auto sell. Okay. The same thing I explained to you on auto buy and auto sell. How should you respond to it? You understand? Okay. So you see it auto sell. If you click on auto sell trailing, this auto sell trailing now it simply means um if you are to take profit and you set your take your sorry stop loss, I set your stop loss at 50%. As the trade is increasing, you understand? The 50% of what is at the point is where it stops. Like let me see, you bought into a trade with $10 and it did just 10, understand, which is $100. Now and the trade suddenly start dipping now at $50, it should take profit. It should just exit you from the trade. You don't have to wait when you come down to that $10 and 10%, 50% of $10 now. So that is the importance of trailing. It takes at that particular point. It takes 50% to that particular point. That is where you start counting. That was buy deep. If you click on buy deep, if it dips to so percentage or so point, you should buy you in. That's where trade you already in on it already. Okay. Uh, that is all on the calls okay. So okay, let's go back to let's go back to the beginning. Okay. Now other things you can do with this thing, you can buy pre-sale, you can do copy trading. Copy trading, copy someone else's wallet and paste it. Whenever the person buy, you buy. Whenever the person sells, you say you are trading something the person is trading. If the person is making profit, you're making profit. If the person is making loss, you're making loss. That is basically all about copy trading. That is basically all about copy trading. So that is for if you have a professional that you want to copy his trade, you click on this copy trading, you select ETH, understand? Either you add wallet or you want to use the person's wallet. Okay, you add wallet. Once you click on this, you type the name you want, you send, you paste the person's wallet, and the bot will start working according to what the person is doing. What the person is doing. Okay, that is on copy trading. Okay, let's return back to our main menu. Then on this core channels now, it could be other channels. You can activate other channels. Like example now, maybe say I want to be buying into trade any CA that is being pasted on social group. You can just add up the group here and there. Whenever they pay something on that group, you buy. If you buy it, buying automatically. You understand? Um, that's just it. Okay, I believe that basically this has actually done a more like a more good to justice to this particular course, and as you do it yourself, you'll be able to understand it better. Understand? Please, I beg you, just do it to like our video. If you are not subscribed, try and subscribe so you get more of this video often. Understand? It's more practical than theory. Understand? Thank you so much, and I wish to see you next time. The next video, which is on God mode, this is God mode. I'll be dropping a video on it soon.